Hello, I'm LCuber, and today I'm going to look at a bunch of speedcubing methods and trying to solve a geometry with them under 3 minutes. So let's get started. So basically, there's like CFOP, Petrus, Roux, all those except, well, CFOP and Roux and ZZ are like the basic method. So we're just going to get in that. Wait, why am I doing a 4x4 scramble? Okay. Okay, that was a bad solve, except it's my first solve of the day. Okay, so CFOP done, let's do Roux. I've never practiced Roux. So how do you build the block land? Like that. Nope. Then okay, that was a really bad 34. So this time is easy, except I forgot how to orient the edges. No. I forgot. I had to orient the edges. Okay. Wait, what? Like that, and what am I supposed to do again? Do I have to undo that? Okay, that was pretty long. Okay, now it's Petrus, except I forgot how to do it. Okay, so I learned how to do that, so let's do it. this was a really bad idea. First make a block like that, then make it a 2x2x3, I don't know. I can't think right now. I think that's right. Okay. F2 doesn't change anything. Oh, I found it. Okay, that's sub 1 minute. Huh. That's kind of... Tripod. Tripod? Like this tripod? Why? Why is the method named that? Okay. Tripod. Wait a second. Tripod method has a 1 LLL? What? Number of L's. Except it's 55. Wait, what? Okay. Well, tripod is kind of... It's actually like entirely intuitive except the last layer. Ooh, I have a pair. What? Okay, like that then. Okay, then. Yeah. I think I just did a Freefop. Except the free part is entirely the entire cross. Yeah. So let's see what's next. So the next one is Freefop. Freefop. Anyways. Okay, Freefop is what I'm always used to. Because I did the cross while doing F12, I find the cross piece, insert that in, ruin the average. Wow. There's a lot of pairs today. Okay. Yeah, that was a normal time. 17 seconds. I can do this all day. So, what's the next one? So, CFCE? What's that? CLO, ELO, cell. Cell? Okay. Basically, if you just do beginner CLO, ELO, it's just for loop. Wall pillow. This is useless. Okay. Okay, this time no pair. Okay, so I think I need to figure out what CFCE is. Oops, I just did safe ball. Okay. I need to solve the corners with the CLO and then yellow. That's the worst time. This is really bad. The good thing I learned a bunch of CLO and there was the case I knew, so I did it and the corners were solved. I'm really proud of that. Next is Waterman by Waterman. Anyways. Oh, there's a free pair, but I can't use it. That's so sad. Wait, what? What? There's nothing. Insert basically oriented centers. Then no, we're not supposed to do that. Oh, wait, I'm not supposed to insert that edge. What? Yeah, like that. Okay. The edges on the rim. Okay. Oh, Waterman is, well, it would add some kind of fun in the solve, except too long. Well, it's I think because I didn't practice. Yeah, I started to practice it yesterday. Okay, what is this? APB. I first read it ABP, but it was APB. Okay. Okay, APB. This is... It usually takes a lot of algorithms and a lot of moves. Anyway, so let's just do this. Oh, what a great cross, but I can't do it. Let's use something I'm really terrible at. Nope, didn't use it. Okay, done. Oi. That was useless. What? L2, L4. Last two layers, the fourth proposal. What? Anyways, this is like a lot of algorithms and yeah, it feels bad. So if we're going to like get out of this video, well, if I get a method solved that is over 3 minutes, I'm going to like make a poll and everyone vote what I'm going to do, so keep watching. First, wait, why are there a lot of free pairs? Wait, what? Well, that was easy. No! That was a +2! No! I hate L2L4. Anyways, the next one is Hahn, named after the person who made it. Why does every method say build a 2x2x3 block or a 2x2x2 block? Oh wait, it's this below. This page is a DNF. Reason, it's incomplete. What? Okay. So this will be kind of hard, except it says use the haze method after that. What? We didn't even get into that. Yeah, first build a 2x2x3 block. Second, I don't know. Make that. Wait, I should make it here. Okay, then FD and FL. Like that, then use, wait, I need to add this piece. Then proceed to slot. Wait, what? That's still under a minute. Yeah, I like the Hahn method, except its name is kind of weird. Sledgehog. Wait, it says here, build a cross. Very intuitive. What? Build F12 -1, blah blah blah. Wait, I'm supposed to do the tripod. Okay, now I know why it's called Sledgehog. It's supposed to use 2 sledgehammer algorithms after doing tripod. Then, if it's parity, the G-perm, T-swap 2 edges. Then, finishing the remaining corners using the either hexafusion, or one of the 50 algorithms, 59 to be exact. Average moves not being calculated. What? I'm going to do some of the example solves and learn how to do them. Like, you've gotta be smart to make this method, or it's really like, wait, I scrambled it in the wrong side. That's wrong. I love CFOP. Okay, this time it's scrambling on green. Okay, first I need to build a cross. Yeah, like that. Then the one who made it, well, did it really intuitively. Okay, I need to do tripod, except I forgot how to do it. Where's the corner? Where's the corner? Like that, then. Wait, I need to arrange it. Done. Okay, that's parity. Then wait, what? That's 1 minute 19 seconds. That's really bad. So, Sledgehog. I want to main this method if I'm going to learn a bunch of other stuffs. Hexagonal Francisco. Wow. So, first build a hexagon. What? What? Okay, so I think this is getting made because number of owls unknown. Average of moves 60? Well, what? Okay, colorful pockets made something about this. Oh, I've once watched it. Okay, there's a video called Hexagonal Francisco overview tutorial thingy. Anyways. Okay. This is going to be weird. So what was I supposed to make again? Wait. And then insert the corner pieces plus one corner. Then insert the edges. Okay, basically like that and like that. Wait, what? Okay. Yes. Like that. I'm supposed to do this, then finish it like Roux. Okay, there was the Hexagonal Francisco. I like the name. Except I just saw this. Ultimate Dimensional Pillars of Francisco. What? Okay, number of owls not known yet. Probably a lot. Okay. Wait. Variance. Diagonal gusset. What? Why are the names like that? Okay. This is weird. So I have to build pillars. Let's get this 1 minute. I don't know what I just said. Like that. This is really not into it. That's not 1 minute. It's 1 minute 5 seconds. What's next? Francisco. Oh wait, this is the same thing. The name's too long. Domino dimension. Alt names. DDD. Yeah, that's really funny. DDD. Wait, start the E layer first while setting up CMLO again on the bottom. Oh, it's similar as the one before. It's entirely the same. Let's do this. Wait, what am I supposed to do again? Okay, E layer. That's the problem. Okay. What? It could have been so 1 minute. That's really sad. I like Domino. Quadranguler Francisco. Again, why Francisco? Wait. It is made by Alex. Yeah. Well, similar to my name. Okay. It's also, well, number of Alex unknown, average of moves 60. Steps 6. You know, Alex is really long. Why did you make this really long? I'm not talking to me. Build a rectangle. Why? Why still like the shapes? You can just say 1 by 2 by 3 or 1 by 2 by 3 plus 1, then I will like understand it, except what is this? This is basically the Yao method. Yeah. This is the Yao method. What? That means I don't need to read all of it. It's the Yao method. It will be easy, right? Wait. Right? Okay, like that, then insert that in. that. Wow. That's actually kind of good. It's 22 seconds. Yeah. Quadranguler Francisco. I still like the ultimate dimensional pillars of Francisco. No. I read the wrong one. It's double domino. Wait, it was double? Not domino. Okay. Double domino dimensions. LMCF. Ooh. It's like entirely like EG, CLO, EG2. I like this. If I get a good time on this, like this could be my method. Wait, you don't need any algorithms to solve the second step. Okay, so I did a miscramble, so did it again. So, oh, it was the corners. I was like watching the edges or, okay. Oh no, I messed the 2x2 up. Like that, then the E layer. Yay, several minutes. Okay. Next is Waterman. Okay, so it's actually basically the Waterman's first step and route. What? It's just going as like Waterman, then wait. What's ERL? Solve the rest of the cube using L7E. What? What? I can't understand anything. First building one by okay. Okay, like that. That was a corner. Just do it. What? Okay. Now this is basically Roux. Wait, what? That was almost 2 minutes. It was really close. Columns for total noobs. Intermediate columns. I'm going to noobs. Okay. Use soon and anti-soon to orient the last layer corners. Okay. So use up a PLO. Yeah, that's it. A PLO. What's that? Then self centers using MNS, MS, MSQ. Okay. Use MU, M prime U, M, and M prime U to M. Wow, that's kind of a lot. Okay, so this is a great corner. Wait, I didn't even need it to. So. Okay, that's done. Okay. There. .50. 50.5 seconds. Okay. Colons first is meh. Pazel method. How to do it. Scramble cube. Press on left. Place left. Place left corners. TF2O. Wait, there's a link except this page doesn't exist. Anyways, to look OLO, PLO, solve cube. What just happened? Okay, so that means everything's on left. Well, but why do I need to use beginner OLO? Like that, then. I always practice this because I thought this could be like kind of useful Yep, it is useful. Then like that. Yep, 31 seconds. That's not bad. Okay, so the next one, the rebound method, is used for speed solving, fist moves, and one-handed. ALK's average moves: low 40 with block building, 48 with CFOP background. What? Number of ALKs: 266 in total. 173 TOLs, including OLO, 72 TTLO, and 21 PLO. What? This is a total FMC method. Let's just skip to Russo by Anthony Russo. Number of owls: 25 to 58. I could get used to this. Averages moves unknown but lower than 50. The variants are L5 EOP. Anyways, solve the first two layers without the FD crossage. Okay, this piece, then arrange and permutate last layer corners. Arrange 5 remaining edges, then solve. Okay, this is basically like Roux. So, wait. "22 seconds, not bad."